Welcome to this tutorial on adding events. With the social networking, you can add events for your members to attend either online or at a specific location in your city or area, or maybe even out of state. In order to do this particular tutorial, we're going to start by clicking the word events. As you can see, there's no events added thus far, so we're going to click on the plus sign, Add Event. At this point, you're going to be brought to a page in which you can create an event by adding the details for all of your members to see. The first step is giving your event a name. For this particular tutorial, we're going to use the event name Christmas Program. Below the event name, there are event images. You can choose to use a standardized image by selecting the first button, or you can select the second button to upload an image. When you select upload an image, you can actually download the photo from your computer, as we've discussed in a previous tutorial about adding photos. Once you've done that, you can click Done, and it will add that photo to your event. For this demonstration, we're going to use the existing image, which is a simple calendar clip art image. We're going to click Done, and that will be the photo that goes with this event. Now below this, you have a description area where you can add, for instance, bold, italics, underlined, strike through, hyperlinks, photos, and also files to description in order to let people know what the event is actually about. For this one, I'm going to add a very simple description. I'm going to type, for instance, the Christmas program entitled Light of the World features a melody of Christian music by our local choir, helping others to see the true meaning of Christmas. After you've entered your description, for instance, you may want to go back and edit some things, bolding them, underlining them. At this point, the description box will show the HTML. For instance, it will show an arrow / bold arrow. That just means that when it is featured on the website, that particular text will be bolded or underlined. Below the description, you can include an event type. So below this, we're going to enter the event type, Christian Christmas Program. We can also enter the start dates and end dates for this event. Now, if you're looking at this right now, we can click on the calendar, or we can manually enter in the date here. For this purpose, I'm going to show you the calendar. I'm going to click on this event to start on December the 20th. Then there's simple pull-down menus to show the time that this event starts. So we can say that this event will start at 7. Go over to the next menu, 30. We can change AM or PM. We'll say it starts at PM. And since it's a program, it's going to probably end on the same date. We'll say that it ends at 8:30. Now, if you have events such as a homecoming or a professional development week, you could also click a box that says all day, which will take your times away and just simply show your dates, since these are starting and ending throughout or all day. So we're going to leave those on the times. We can enter the location. In this case, we're going to put the Full Gospel Church of Jesus Christ. We're going to put a street, 777 South Highway 52. We can enter the city and town, Smilax, Kentucky. And we can also enter a website address. For instance, if the church had a website address, we can enter it there. For this purpose, I'm just going to enter a basic website here, jbstechclass.com. We can enter a phone number so that people can reach you at the phone number for this event and find any additional details that may not be posted on this. And it can also include an area where you can tell who this is organized by or the host of the event. Once you've filled out your basic information, if you scroll back up to the top of Ning, you will see that there are privacy options. This event can be made public so that anyone who sees the event can attend, or you can select private to where only the people that you invite can RSVP for this event. Now, you do not always have to RSVP for these events. You can simply just invite the people that are friends or members of Ning. There's an option to disable RSVP and also hide the guest list so that others will not see who else will be attending. So there are several options here when adding the event feature to your Ning website. This concludes our tutorial on how to add events. The last step that you will want to take in order to finalize your event is to press the button that says Add Event. As you can see, finally, we have an invitation here to our Christmas program. What will pop up next here are several options for invitations. You can import those from your web address book. You can enter email addresses manually. You can also invite friends and also import from an address book application. So there are several options in order to finish and finalize your event. Once you have entered those, the website will take you back to your main page, which is where we're going now. This concludes how to add events to social network Ning.